Okay, phew, it's almost like a little course in and of itself. I know we've looked at a ton so far in Atom packages, but now let's take a look closing out with themes, and I won't take too long with this. I'll just show you how, because playing on your own with themes is really what takes the most time. So the first thing we have to understand is that Atom has two types of themes. First is the UI theme. This controls things like the Chrome, the tabs, and file navigation, so the actual app Chrome itself. Then we have a syntax theme, which is a completely separate, or can be completely separate theme, and this will style the area where our code is displayed, as well as all the syntax around how our code is shown. So just like with their packages, Atom has a theme repository, and we could navigate this on atom.io as well as from within Atom. However, I find it really difficult to preview and see nice images and scroll around with either of these options. For themes particularly. For plugins it works okay. However, there are some third-party sites that exist that simply take this theme repository but display it a little bit nicer so that it's easier to browse those. So what I'm going to do is just take a moment to browse through some themes and show you sort of the option and how you could get around looking at them, and then you could take your time going through all of the different themes and finding ones that you like. My general suggestion, though, is that when you install them, that you pick some dark themes you like and some light themes you like, since that seems to help give a good balance, and you could shift them. Some days and some parts of the days you might want a lighter theme, sometimes you might want a darker one, and you might like having those options depending on the mood and what's going on. So then the last thing to mention about themes is that you can install them in the same way as packages. You could use the command line, or you could install them directly from within Atom.